Hi, to connect your QCY T1C to the app, as a first step, let's find this app. For that, we can open App Store or Google Play depending on your device. I'm gonna open App Store, and here we need to find this QCY and install it, of course. Mine is already downloaded, so let's just open it. Just here we need to allow to find Bluetooth devices. This is important. Tap here allow, and here you can either allow or don't allow to send notifications. I'm gonna select don't allow, and now we will need to log in if you had an account here before, or tap this option register new account. So let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. And after we successfully signed in, we would see this display. So here, choose option add device, and now take your earbuds and take them out of the charging case, just like that. And now they found our T1C, so we just need to tap on them. And as you can see, we will need to make sure that they are connected to the phone via Bluetooth. So let's open settings. From here, choose Bluetooth, and now make sure that you can see the status connected near the name of your device. In my case, everything is just fine, so let's go back in this app, tap I understand, and now they are connected to the app because you can see its battery percentage. You can see those customizable settings, so you can switch from status to sound. And here select sound effect, basically like an equalizer. You can go in the settings and customize gesture controls. So go in touch for the left earbud first and select any option from the list. For example, playback and pause, or you can select voice assistant. And you can do the same for the wide earbud, so customize it. Also customize double touch, triple touch. So we can tap it and select something from the list, and the same goes for the right one. And now let's trigger voice assistant with the help of touching left earbud. For that, I'm gonna touch it once. And now voice assistant enables. In my case, it is Siri. Also here you can enable sleeping mode and check more settings such as reset to default, delete pairing records, and check device information. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.